Hello, today is the 9th of January 2012. Silver's currently trading at 29.23. This is the page from forexpros.com. I was stating on my video on the weekend about looking for 61.8% confirmation, which is what I came on here to talk about. And when you see major breakthroughs, you gotta keep your eyes open, because they're on the 10-minute time frame within this high, which is from 3:30 in the morning, and the lows set at 7:30 and again at 8 o'clock in the morning. Didn't find any resistance at this level. Within the first time it got there, you can see that it went above it, below it. It stabilized there for 3 candles. On the 1-minute time frame, this level in here just bursted through it. So when we were in here, now I'm thinking that I was going to state, okay, what I want to do is try to find a level where we can get confirmation, thus give us good risk versus reward. Confirmation below this line. Hopefully confirmation down towards in here. And, well, obviously it kept going. So the key thing to notice about the psychology within that is that there's some sort of forces moving on. Now, this is extremely short term. So if you're looking at this for any type of long-term stuff, this isn't going to help at all, other than the methodology of using the chart. Using the charts for whichever time frames that you can be considering. So now the question is, what type, where can we see this on, say, different time frames? Because within the hourly chart, this is a 60-minute silver chart. The situation is we're at this level of previous resistance, because we felt that, or supports, well, yeah, resistance in here, because then it came support in here, support here, really decent support here, amazing support there, 1, 2, 3 hits. So the significant thing to me is when it's ready to retrace, and it's had an okay retracement just from this candle, 38.2% from this low to this high is the most obvious one. And if we look at this within the 5-hour time frame, I've already talked about that back in here, that it was nothing uncommon for it to retrace or go sideways. So the significant Fibonacci points up towards in here. Therefore, basically, if it's ready to go, it looks like it's going to make a run up towards that level right now. And let me just bring up, this is the chart that I have for it. So the Fibonacci line is, you can't see it. Well, you can see the line, but you can't see the actual number. It's 29.44. So based on that, that's where I think it would be making a run up towards, would be this level up towards in here. So let's now go back to the 1-minute time frame. So therefore, within these lows, we can draw Fibonacci from the high to the low. It's now retraced on the 1-minute time frame within 4 candles or so. And let's see what we got here. Basically, they're coming up and they're stating 29.04. Now, I think if we do retrace that, we're pretty much going to go there soon, and then that'll be where it bounces from. Now, why would I be confident that it bounces from? Because the forces were stating something beforehand that it wanted to get going. The market opens, at least for the U.S. markets, in about 13 minutes. Also, maybe that's not going to be the significant Fibonacci line, because this is going to be it for the retracement. It's going to go higher, break this level, maybe go up to that 44 level before it retraces the 38.2% as a minimum that it would retrace, of course. For it to retrace more than that, it first has to retrace the 38.2. And yeah, so I see that's because of this high, this retracement low, and this time difference at the top is 3:35, and it never got back going again until 8:05. So that's a good 4.5 hours. Thank you for tuning in, and have yourself a great day. Bye-bye.